Tell them what you're making.
I'm making a minion
Out of?
out of Play-Doh.
Amos Nido. Amos
Start with these
Nisa.
goggles. Okay, it's a little bit tricky.
No, you can do it.
Okay. Just put crystals all around my finger. So, put it in the minion spot and see. Now time for this. And you take a little piece, then roll it on the minion.
I know.
Where did you put it?
You know the goggles are perfect. Now time for the eye. The eye is finished. And now it's mouth. So I just need a little bit of a ball pen.
To draw them out. No, you show me, babe.
Here it is.
Baby, here. Here. There.
Mom, look.
Yeah, it's sticking now.
And then time for its clothes. Sorry, baby, if I made you naked. Can you continue my body? Man, ready. Now I need to smash. So this one is good. Man, that's not enough. Oh, how about sorry Stuart, bye bye. I'll smash you. Stuart, sorry Stuart if I killed you. Smash, 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 smash. Smash more or I can't even smash with Stuart. I want Stuart. Okay. Okay. Missing need a little bit or more.
I'll give you.
I just need to take the half of
No,
it.
red church at me. It's no bad.
Come on.
No bad.
If I don't have enough. Mom, is it still videoing?
Yeah.
I want you to.
Man, it's closer to back. Okay, there, perfect. But
Mommy.
time you
Maybe
always
your
but.
tab is no bad.
And here he is. So where's his mouth? There it is. A better smile.
Oh,
Now
that's
time for
unfair.
his. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
No.
For
What
this is his.
What was?
For his arm. Excuse me, Shine. Can you lower it? Okay. Now here it is. So it's missing its arm and its leg and its pocket at the middle. Also its hair. Oh.
This is Bum Bum.
Now over here. Here's
Oh,
the
it's so
pocket
nice.
and we need an
No,
end.
it's
You're
Bum
doing
Bum.
great, Nana,
Minion.
with preparation. No bad nalagay siya.
It's Bum Bum.
Where's your phone, Chi?
Here's the end.
Please show it again. Closer.
End.
And then she put the food.
Very good. Now time for your arms, bud. So mindless. Friends so cute earlier when she saw our chicken this weird. Hi sis.
Hi, sis.
Yeah.
Siya nag-ingon. Hi, sis. Did you say hi, sis, to Ate Candy? Hi, sis.
Come on.
Ate Candy. Did you say Ate Candy?
Here are the arms.
Aww.
And
Did you say Ate Candy?
the
Did you say hi?
legs. Come on. I just don't mind it when it's sitting. I don't want to make it like standing.
What's that? What's that?
dog. Man, this is too long.
No, there's a Baba. Bye bye.
And here it is, but I'm missing the.
It's like an
Look at hair.
astronaut.
Yeah, that's the clothes they wear. And here's Kevin. Welcome to the world, Kevin. Wait,
Welcome to the world, Baba.
stop copying. And to make something that matches its name. I'm gonna make the picture. I'm gonna show you with Kevin. Wait just for a while. Kev. Here's Kev. Then I need the V. The V is pretty easier. Cause the V. Kev. Kevin.
Beetroot. What's
And
beetroot?
don't. Kevin's face. And here goes Kevin. Our little minion. Oh man, it's too bright. It's okay. See ya soon. Bye. I'm gonna jump to Kevin.